Should you secure a seat, sir, in the Senate, will you be aligned to the opposition or will you join the administrations among the senators, sir?
You know, ako po ay tumatakbo sa ilalim ng PDP laban. And I am a good follower, I am a good soldier. But I also believe in pursuing policies, no, instead of pure party lines. So ako po ay loyal na PDP laban, and I will also be loyal to the best policies.
Sir, just a quick follow-up. Are you still loyal, sir, to the former President Duterte?
Absolutely. Siya po ay aking kaibigan at ang isa po sa aking talagang layunin ay patibayan ng best of the Duterte principles.
As a former official of PAGCOR, sir, what can you say with the recent announcement of, not recent, but yung ban on Pogo, sir? And yung kung ano po yung kinalabasan nung pag-flourish ng Pogo sa Philippines? Thank you.
Napaka masalimuot na issue talaga ng Pogo. Sa isang banda, kumikita po ang bayan dyan at hindi galing yan sa pera ng Pilipino, kundi galing sa banyaga. Sa kabilang banda, maraming social disturbance na nagaganap. So para sa akin, that is really, I think, an executive and legislative prerogative. Depende talaga yan sa wisdom ng nakikita nung nakaupo. At ngayon, in their wisdom, nakita nila sa senaryo ngayon, it is best to shut it down. So I respect that.
Follow up.
But sir, are you in favor of it, sir? Being one of the former officials of PAGCOR?
You know, and I'm not evading, no, I'm making sure very clear yung answer ko. Ang mga gaming issues is very reliant on existing conditions. Ano ba yung klima, no? Kung ang conditions ay maganda, na pwede siyang paandarin, na hindi magkaka-social disturbance, hindi magagalit ang ibang bansa sa atin, if we're able to create it that way, at walang mga social friction, then it's a good economic force. Dahil nung pandemic, marami po sa naitulong natin sa social fund ay galing sa fees from Pogo. Pero again, I'm only in favor of it if it is performed well, regulated well, and under the right conditions. Which is why, binabalik ko po yung sagot ko dun sa executive and legislative prerogative talaga yan. Depende sa sitwasyon.